In this lesson, we are going to add some vents to the jaw area of the full face helmet. Let's unroll another feature and notice that this is a trim that uses multiple closed sketch loops to trim out areas in the jaw of the helmet. Let's rename the feature to Jaw Vent Trims. Let's edit the sketch to take a look at what we have. and which is direction 2. Solidworks treats the two directions equally. So select this edge, set it to curvature. Sometimes you'll get a warning if your sketch or the rest of the geometry is not exact. And let's set another curvature to face. If you get an error such as this, where it just won't let you set the curvature equal, then you may be able to settle for a tangency. And all of these callouts will help you identify the edge conditions that are set. And you can even use these to change the edge conditions if you want to. When you say OK on this, the vent is constructed. And the other two vents were created in the same way. Trim out the hole, add a plane to sketch on, sketch the opening edge, and then create a boundary surface to fill in the hole.